Welcome to the Expert Option Demo Account Guide, where we explore the features and benefits of trading with virtual funds in 2025. A demo account is perfect for both beginners and experienced traders to practice trading strategies without any financial risk. To get started, visit the Expert Option website, fill in your details, and click on Create Demo Account. It's that simple. Once you're in, familiarize yourself with the trading tools and features available on the Expert Option interface. In the demo account, you'll be provided with virtual funds to execute trades, allowing you to practice without financial commitments. Let's set up your first trades. It's crucial to start small and gradually build up your trading confidence. After trading, take time to analyze your performance. Review your trades and adjust your strategies accordingly. When you're ready to transition from a demo account to live trading, keep in mind factors like emotional control and risk management. Be aware of common mistakes, such as overtrading or not using stop-loss orders. These can severely impact your trading results. By utilizing your Expert Option demo account effectively, you'll be well prepared to tackle the live trading environment with confidence.